Hello, community volunteer and partner. This year we're partnering with the University of Manitoba to measure persistent contaminants called trifluoroacetic acid, also referred to as TFA. The TFA sample can be collected anytime between May 4th and May 10th. The TFA sample is to be completed after collecting and processing your regular LWCBN sample. Please do not empty your sample bottle, as we'll use this water for the TFA study. Your TFA sample pack contains gloves to prevent contamination, an indelible marker to label bottles after processing, 2 sample bottles, one pre-filled with Millicue water for the field blank and one empty, and a protocol sheet with step-by-step instructions and space to record metadata. Step 1. Put on gloves to prevent contamination from getting into the sample. Step 2. Open the bottle labeled Step 1, TFA field blank, do not empty. This bottle is pre-filled with Millicue water. To complete this step, you will unscrew the lid, let the bottle sit open for about 30 seconds, screw the lid back onto the bottle. Step 3. Collect your water sample for the TFA study using the same protocols as your regular LWCBMN sample. If you process your regular sample at the same time, there should be enough water in your 500 milliliter bottle for the TFA study. If not, you'll need to collect additional water. Step 4. Open the second bottle labeled Step 2 TFA study. Step 5. Rinse the bottle. Fill the bottle about 1/3 or halfway full with your collected water sample. Close the lid, shake to rinse, and pour out the water. Repeat this step once more to ensure the bottle is fully rinsed. Step 6. Fill the bottle to the top. Close it tightly. Step 7. Remove your gloves and use the marker to label the bottles and the protocol sheet with day and month, time, and your name. Return the gloves, marker, bottles, and protocol sheet back into the TFA bag and store the bag in a cool, dark place with the rest of your LWF samples. If you have any questions about collecting the TFA sample, please reach out to us. Thank you.